Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make bloomers with ruffles. Cut fabric into 2 front pieces and 2 back pieces now. Start by laying out your pattern on the fold and pin securely to avoid shifting during cutting. Mark seam allowances and ruffle placement with tailor's chalk for accuracy. Keep spare fabric for practice ruffles and test elastic tension on a scrap before sewing actual pieces. Measure leg openings and cut ruffle strips accordingly so gathers look balanced and professional. Use 3-5 inches as a guideline for ruffle width if you want fuller, more dramatic frills. Hem the ruffle short edge before gathering to prevent fraying when you sew. Run 2 parallel basting stitches and pull threads to distribute gathers evenly before pinning to the bloomer's main piece for a neat finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more sewing tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers to store trims, buttons, and pre-cut ruffle pieces so my workspace stays tidy and spills never ruin fabrics. They snap shut tightly and stack neatly in my craft area for easy access. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Join the main pieces carefully, matching notches and seams for a smooth silhouette that sits comfortably on the waist and legs. Create a casing for the elastic using the recommended width for comfortable stretch, and insert the elastic with a safety pin while checking fit. Adjust tension so the bloomers stay up but feel comfortable, then stitch the elastic ends securely and close the casing with neat top stitching for a clean, durable finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.